In this tutorial, we are looking at the learning games. In addition to the normal exercises in the app, there are also learning games. These are not primarily designed for serious practice, but rather for having some fun while still learning a bit at the same time. I can access the learning games by tapping on Exercises on the home screen. Here at the bottom, I see the 3 learning games. On this icon with the fox, the one that is jumping, I can start a jump game. In this game, the fox has to keep jumping higher and higher, and I simply tap on the left and right side of the screen to move it left and right. It is only allowed to jump on the orange bars, otherwise he will fall down and you lose the game. At the same time, I hear the audio of a flashcard. When this flashcard appears, I have to jump onto it. This gives me plus points. If I jump onto the wrong flashcard or skip the correct one, I get minus points. The goal is to jump as high as possible and collect as many points as possible. Another learning game is the memory game. When I tap on this icon, I can choose how many pairs I want to play with, either 6 flashcard pairs, 10, or 12. I can also choose whether I want to play alone or with a second player. When I start the game, I see a classic memory game. Under each card, there is either an audio or an image hidden.
Die Person hält an. Anhalten.
The goal is to find all matching pairs. The third game works like this. I first hear the audio of a flashcard, and then I have to select the correct flashcard from the images. If I select the correct flashcard, I hear the first audio again, followed by a second one. Now I have to select the first flashcard again, and then the second one, and so on.
Das ist das Baby. Das Baby. Das ist das Baby. Das Baby. Du. Du.
The goal is to train my memory and select as many flashcards correctly in a row as possible. Have fun with the games and exploring the app. There's much more to discover, so make sure to check out the other tutorials as well.